This immaculately presented home is a property that will meet and exceed the expectations of the most discerning buyer, with nothing that needs to be done except to sit back, relax and enjoy. This is a property that is unrivaled in the marketplace today. I'm Ben Carroll from Harcourts. This is 9 Commodore Place in Manly West. Let's go and have a look. With our summer holidays fast approaching, I can't think of anywhere where you'd rather be than enjoying this amazing home with its seamless flow of both indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces. I'm Ben Carroll from Harcourts. I can't wait to see you at my open home.